This is a DC speed regulation circuit composed of any 555 and MOSFET. It can control variable motor speed. This is the schematic diagram. After power is turned on, the current charges C1 through the R1 resistor and the 50 kilo ohm potentiometer. When C1 is charged to 1/3 of the power supply voltage, pin 3 outputs high level, driving the MOSFET to conduct. At this time, the capacitor continues to charge. When the capacitor reaches 2 to 3 of the supply voltage, pin 3 outputs low level to turn off the MOSFET. At the same time, pin 7 is turned on. The capacitor starts to discharge through the potentiometer. When the capacitor is placed at 1/3 of the power supply voltage, pin 7 is closed. Pin 3 also outputs a high level to control the conduction of the MOSFET. By adjusting the charging and discharging time, you can control the motor speed. Although the 555 IC is relatively antique, but it is still possible to use it to make hundreds of heavy electronic circuits. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.